Okay, this piece of video intends to demonstrate the standalone operation of Picasso. Is basically going to write through these points set in MATLAB. We run it and we're going to see Picasso going to the calibration position. Now he's pointing the laser to one corner for calibration. Basically letting us better select the calibration point for laser alignment. Once it has been properly set, we can continue writing the whole map. Picasso will be pointing to each one of the corners. Stop. Time Picasso is trying to look for the field of view to see how the laser behaves. Trying to make the 4W drive move. Now that he got it, he will move to another position. As you see, the camera capabilities are not standard. Picasso has been handling. Of the robot. On the screen we'll have an updated version once the camera refreshes the image. If you see, just like in real life, blue tape, red tape, and this is the point of interest right in front of Picasso of the 4WD. And this is where the laser is going to be pointed to make this guy turn left or right. Just as shown on the screen, the point of interest has been placed right to the left, to the right side of the 4WD to make him turn. It can be observed where the asterisk is. Picasso is looking to take the robot to the next point of interest, which is that red dot marked over the solution. Now Picasso is swinging the laser back and forth, trying to force the 4WD to detect the laser. Trying to get access to the field of view of the robot. Due to the inconsistency of the camera, this slow algorithm has been implemented, and it may take a considerable amount of time to have the robot moving forward.
think we should have another routine for in the basic micro. If it does this 180-degree turn twice, one after another, it should go forward and make to the end of this final.
Picasso is again trying to relocate the laser in a position where the camera may have the robot turning to the right. Everything is being shown by this is part of the laser guided navigation system, and basically we're watching the code written in MATLAB. At high level conduit, we can see that basically first of all it's doing a calibration of the Picasso joints movement. Later on we have a set of points to apply to the fit function that is going to determine the required rotation angle for each joint based on given XY positions of the maze. Here we have the maze developed for such application, and that's an example of one possible location for the 4WD small robot that is going to be guided by the laser. Starting the operation, first of all we need to take care of the position of the robot at the beginning of the maze. Later on, keep in mind that for all possible locations we need to have the 4WD under the field of view of the camera on top.
Okay.
The eye of God, which will be observing the movement of the 4WD while it rides through the maze. Later on we'll start the process operation with set Picasso to point to one of the corners for laser alignment. Once the algorithm has found the solutions of the maze, it will make Picasso move to point one of the corners. If we can see, Picasso is again looking for the best position to place the laser. It's trying to show in the path to the robot. It has just turned following the laser. It found an obstacle, so it's turning back and looking for the best direction. Picasso is going to be the laser. It's going to be bringing the laser up from the robot. The robot is looking for the laser as stop there. So it's going to be pointing the laser so that the 4WD turns to follow this next solution point. Did this screen observe? Don't worry. Picasso is going to start moving. It's doing a calculation of what the Nanda.
It's going out of bounds. This ain't cool. This is a trial 7.
Tell me what is
That's an error. That was an error on the light section. There was an error on the light section. As it was specified, it will point the laser for a short period of time and then remove the laser to avoid the robot detecting the laser into a wrong direction. The robot found an obstacle and is going back. Due to the inaccuracies of the sensor, the robot wasn't unable to detect the obstacle right away. Again, Picasso is pointing the laser in front of the robot. Everything happened automatically. Let's see the movement of Picasso while trying to make the robot move. This is part of the inaccuracy we've been facing. As you see, Picasso has placed the laser right in front of the camera, but the camera consistency is real low.
This is the biggest roadblock that I faced in this.
I should have detected it. Why didn't detect the thing? Okay. Are you recording?
Yep.
They specify the robot is looking for the position of the laser. Picasso is trying to provide that position. Oh, he detected the made it through the maze. So we show that using the laser being handled manually, we can guide this little robot through the maze. It's just that there's so many problems with his field of view not being constant. As you may see, we need to look for the right spot to make him turn.
That's enough.